Alright guys, we're here at the horse farm, and me and Catfish are out here looking for arrowheads, and Catfish has found him one. He's getting ready to pick it up. So let's see what he's got.
Well, there it is.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Real good quartz. Real nice piece. Flip it over there, let's see. Oh yeah. Let's see. See if I can get in my shadow here. Real nice point. If we find anything else, we'll put it on here. Alright guys, we're back here at the horse farm. We're checking out this this big spot here. They use it for barrel racing, and they plow it a couple times every year, and it's got a good runoff here. Looking at, and we're hoping they're going to plow that soon, because that's all bordered by a creek. It goes all the way around the outside edge. So yeah, that's a nice field. Right now they just let the horses graze. So hopefully it's going to be plowed soon. But Catfish has found him something else. So we're gonna go over here and see what he's got. Oh yeah, it's got a good base sticking out. Go ahead and pull it out there.
See what we got. Oh, we got a scraper.
Got us a hafted scraper. Nice piece. Yeah, buddy. Alright, if we find anything else, we'll put it on. Alright guys, we're back here at the horse farm. I found one this time and beat Catfish out. Found this little piece earlier. I don't know if you can see it. Really nice work, but I'm not really sure what it is. Maybe a scraper. Not sure. But I got something here. Looks like a base sticking out. We're going to see what it is. Faker.